Hello everyone! So this is a short video for the newly launched teachers. I know how eager you are to have your first ever class na po, diba? Kasi as we are launched here in 51 Talk, gustong-gusto na po natin talagang magka-estudyante. May nagtatanong sa akin, paano ba magka-bookings? So, tinatanong ko sila agad kung kailan ba kayo advised to open your slots. During kasi sa ating onboarding, may instruction po yung facilitator natin kung kailan po tayo pwedeng mag-open ng slots. So, dapat po natin yung sundin kung kailan na date. Kasi dun po kayo magkaka-bookings. Just like me, February 20 ako na lunch. Tapos, gustong-gusto ko na talaga kasing magturo. So, nag-open ako ng slots. You're the advised date. So, February 23, dapat akong mag-open ng slot. Pero, pagkagabi ng 20, talagang nag-open ako ng slots. 20, 21, 22, pero hindi ako nagkaroon ng bookings. Yun, inainip na talaga. So, I remembered na 23 talaga kami dapat mag-open ng slots. So, pagka 23 talaga ng gabi, while I was waiting for it, nainip na talaga ako. I am planning to leave already my seat. Pero biglang tumunog, yun. Kung hindi ko siya napansin agad, magkaka-absent na ako. Yan po yung usually nangyayari sa mga newly launched teachers. So, yung open slots kasi natin, especially sa peak hours, dapat po natin yung bantayan. Ang mangyayari is, sudden po talaga yung bookings. Let's say, 30 minutes, 15 minutes before the booked class, yun yung magiging booking nyo. Kasi yung mga parents, they could book you up to the 10th minute. Yeah, sometimes nga is 11th minute, pwede ka po nilang i-book. For example, 7 o'clock, leave your seat. Sama yan, 7:04. Pwedeng mayroong mag-book sa inyo. Yun yung mga newly launched teachers. At kahit sa mga existing teachers, ganyan talaga. It is expected that are online kasi open yung slots ninyo. Mostly, yan yung nangyayari sa mga baguhan. So, dapat nyong bantayan yung open slots ninyo. And then, follow the scheduled date kung kailan kayo dapat mag-open ng slots as to the instruction of your onboarding seminar facilitator. Okay? So, para iwas absent kasi yung nangyari ngayon sa ka-chat ko is dalawa yung naging absent. So, first warning na po siya. God. So, I guess you're not allowed to open slots. Kasi nagka-first warning po kayo. And then, you will be suspended for how many days? First, sana na mga estudyante. So, dapat po siya talagang pakabantayan ng mga buhan po sa platform. Hindi po yun agad-agad na dagsa po tayo ng mga students. For the newly launched teachers, i-raise in mind na marami agad tayong mga students because we will still be setting up our name as teachers in the platform. So, yung mga first book classes natin, dapat lagaan po natin. Those are your chances na po na to shine to the students kasi ipi-favorite po kayo, ganun. So, dapat na habaan po natin yung pasensya natin waiting for the first ever class here in 51 Talk.